You've seen the viral pasta, now it's our turn. We remade it to make it better. The original viral pasta recipe was missing key ingredients and had poor cooking technique. We added garlic, red pepper flakes, and used a better pasta shape. This gave the dish more depth and spice. We replaced canned tomatoes with fresh, San Marzano tomatoes for a richer sauce. This added natural sweetness and a burst of flavor to the dish. We also cooked the sauce for longer to reduce the acidity. To make the viral pasta more balanced, we added some grilled chicken. This added protein and texture to the dish, making it more filling and satisfying. You can also use other proteins like shrimp or pancetta. We used a blend of Parmesan, mozzarella, and ricotta cheese for a creamier sauce. This combination added richness and a smooth texture to the dish. You can also add other cheeses like gorgonzola or feta. To cook the pasta perfectly, use a large pot of salted water and cook until al dente. Then, reserve some pasta water and add it to the sauce for a creamy texture. This helps the sauce cling to the pasta and prevents it from becoming too dry. Try our remade viral pasta and let us know what you think. Like and subscribe for more recipe remakes.